Currently, virtual production industry is popular. Multiple HDMI to DVI cables are required between the host and the large LED screen in that field, and the high-definition video images of the host are transmitted to the large LED screen at the DVI end through multiple HDMI port terminals to realize the use of virtual images instead of live-action shooting. However, ordinary HDMI to DVI cables often have several major problems. It cannot be directly connected, and an HDMI to DVI adapter is required, and the wiring is cumbersome. The copper cable is not long enough to be used in large projects. The copper cable has signal loss and delay, and the video signal is prone to stuttering. The cable body is susceptible to external electromagnetic interference, and there will be a splash screen and a blank screen. Insufficient bandwidth and low video resolution, affecting the display performance. These problems directly lead to poor film and television effects of virtual production. In order to solve the problems mentioned above, Bridgee has developed a fiber optical HDMI to DVI cable, Prof DVH10. The plug shell is made of zinc alloy material, which is sturdy and durable. All components used inside the plug are imported, especially its German chip and American laser can ensure powerful and durable performance. It can transmit 10.2 gigabits per second signals efficiently and stably, support 4K at 30 Hz signal output. Both the DVI and the HDMI connector is 24K gold-plated, which can resist corrosion and oxidation very well, and ensure the stability of signal transmission. Reinforced boot design to prevent cables from loosening. OM310 gigabit multimode fiber is used in the core, which can transmit high-definition video signals efficiently and without delay, and is not subject to external electromagnetic interference, ensuring smooth video without stuttering and flickering. The cable body is flexible and will not be damaged by moderate bending. The maximum cable length is 165 feet, 50 m, which can be used in large occasions. We connect the DVH10 fiber optic cable to the host and the monitor respectively, which can be used in virtual production to provide realistic and smooth virtual scenes without delay. The cable can also be connected to TV box, stick, and a screen to watch TV programs. If you want to know more about this product, go to bridgee.cc.